We love seeing some hilarious life hacks because they are just so funny, and we honestly love to use them. So today here at Ready Set Viral, we're showing you guys 12 life hacks to use that are hilarious. Number 12, hide a phone in a book. Start off by placing your phone on a book page. With a pen, trace the phone and safely cut the lines out. Now you have space to put your phone whenever you need to sneak it. It's so funny since you can make it look like you're reading a book. Number 11, the struggle of getting toothpaste out. This one's pretty simple, but hilarious as well. If you want to take getting toothpaste out to the next step, get a car and slowly drive on top of the toothpaste. The toothpaste will fall onto your toothbrush, which is insane and hilarious. Number 10, put some air into an air mattress without a pump. This one is hilarious just because of how long it's going to take. For this one, go outside and lay the air mattress. Grab a bag and start filling air into it and squeeze it into the air hole. Repeat these steps multiple times until it's finished. Number 9, comfy house shoes. For this one, all you need to do is unfold your socks and fold them inside of your house shoe. Look how nice they look. It's kind of silly though. Number 8, hide your belongings while you're at the beach. When you're at the beach, there's some people who will steal stuff, so this one is the part where you hide it. Grab a diaper and put all of your stuff inside it. Roll it up and people will not be dared to touch it. If you place a piece of chocolate onto it, it'll melt within the sun and make it even more unappealing to look at. Number 7, prevent your sandwich from being stolen. Instead of using a sticky note that says don't touch, get some green acrylic paint and a Q-tip and paint over where your sandwich is sitting. That way it'll look moldy and no one will ever want to steal your sandwich again. Number 6, paper puppets. For this one, all you need to do is fold the paper like so, in half, and then fold the top part down again. Draw a face like so, and once you do that, then unfold the paper and start continuing the face like this. Add some teeth, add a tongue, get creative if you'd like, and then once you unfold and fold again, it will look like the puppet is talking. You can do this with fish or other creatures as well. You can use your imagination. Number 5, make a bunch of cup holders and turn them into a speaker. For this, grab a cup and cut out the bottom of it. With cardboard, place the cup down and mark it with a marker 6 times. Repeat this step 3 times with the other sides, and when you drop your phone in it, it'll get louder. It's amazing, but kind of funny since the things that we are using are not really things that we would use for a speaker. Number 4, ponytail doesn't fit? Fold your hat inside out, cut off the top, and tie the top of what's left. Fold the top, sew it in, and do this with the other side as well. Cut the tie off, cut the sew off, and unfold it so you can now wear it even with a ponytail. Number 3, custom face mask. For this one, you'll need a paper towel. In the middle, tie it up with a rubber band and fold the end and staple it. Repeat this on the other side, and now you can use it as a face covering or mask. Number 2, mini mask. For this one, all you need to do is make a mask that is specifically for your nose. If you use a children's mask or fold up your regular mask and staple or tape it, this can stop some of your allergies. Number 1, glasses holder. This one is a super funny way to hold your glasses instead of putting them on the top of your head. Simply get a wall hook and stick it on the middle of your forehead and you will have an amazing place to put your glasses. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a single video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day.